So today I'm gonna review this Hot Wheels Maximum Destruction and oh crap! Oh, oh, wait, wait, what the? Team Men's? I don't have a Team Men's. Why does it have a flag? And the new what? Did my monster truck just go back in time? Whoa! So, okay, if I throw this, do I get Goldberg? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I do have a Team Men's truck. Most wanted truck of 2017. I'm also going to probably get the Michigan Ice Monster. But, still, this truck is pretty cool. Of my childhood, because I was, like, maybe 2 or 3, like, before this truck ended, and then, I was a baby when this truck, like, the last things about this truck before it got turned into that over there. But it was a fun truck.